How to reverse money on First National Bank app. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply complete the payment reversal request form in full. This form must be completed in full and signed by the account holder. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply, after the completed form must be, as you can see, you're gonna have to email this form to this email address, and you'll receive an automated response with a reference number for the reversal request. And for inquiries, or if you do not receive a reference number for your submission within 15 minutes, you're gonna have to contact the number on the back of your bank card for assistance. So all you have to do is simply complete this form and then simply send them this form to this email, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.